トで新記録出しちゃったし。暑いからパス。大会は見に行くからさ。
Kung pa ka bagong din, subscribe na natin. Oh, lagi. Beta call. I'm too fast. I'm too fast. I'm too fast. So very I'm too fast. Hindi lang good. Ano yung mukha na kailangan ba? Ano pa nga yan? I'm too fast. I'm too fast. Hindi ako pa nagpunta to na. Dugan mo gud dito. Pwede red bull. Daw na. Ujo na ready to watch. Taud dun. Ingana to ni mo kuan mo. Ingana pa to yung video. Lahi ra man gud dari to may dari to. Unsa ang pag-delete din? Delete ra na. Tawag ko ni Paro. Guys. Di pag sa YouTube na mag-post yung sa akin.
And this guy is a professional in his job because he tests up to 10,000 vapes every day using only his mouth. But if you're wondering why he actually do it this way, he needs to make sure every vape has the same flavor. And he said that he used vapes after work.